Hey guys, it's Veronica. Welcome back to my channel, and it's been a while. Well, I'm making this video not because of YouTube's partner program update to their policies and stuff, but as a follow-up to my sheet masking video. A lot of you found that really interesting. So this one company called Trend, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review a set of sheet masks that they were selling, and I was like, sure, free stuff, why not? I like sheet masks. Add to my collection. By the way, my collection has more than doubled since that video back in the summer of 2017. But they sent me these sheet masks, and I'm going to be completely honest with you and non-biased. Like, if I don't like it, then I don't like it. If I love it, then I will totally recommend. But it's called the Candy O Lady Candy Bucket Oh So Sweet sheet masks. It's like 7 sheet masks, one for every day of the week. That's based off of like a different sweet or candy. So I'm gonna try this out over the course of this week and tell you my thoughts at the very end. I will leave the link down below of this product if you guys wanted to try it for yourselves. They also sent me this blackhead mask peel off called Candy O Glow, and it's in flamingo, and I hope that this smells good because usually pink sheet masks and skincare in general smells really good like candy or grapefruit, and I am a fan of both. I will review this in another video probably if you guys wanted to see that, but anyway, on to the video. I will show you guys every single time that I try each 7 of these masks, and I will give you my brief thoughts, and then I'll close out the video. I have no makeup on, and I have a few blemishes, so I'm going to use a mask that helps with these blemishes. So I'm going to use the Candy Pop face mask. Apparently it says it helps with calming the skin, and my skin needs calming. That's what it needs. It looks cute, doesn't it? It's kind of tough to open. You kind of have... It squirted in my eye. It's a little bit tough to open, and it's very, very slippy. That's what it feels like. Okay, first things first, it smells like a candy cane. I didn't expect that. I thought it was gonna smell like cake or something, but okay. By the way, my face is completely clean, no makeup. I already toned and did all that stuff that is required for sheet masking. Just letting you know. Okay, so how long do I need to leave it on? Like 20 minutes? About? Whenever I feel like it's starting to dry up, I guess, I'm gonna leave it on. So like not like completely dry, because that's bad from a sheet masking. But like when it's like feeling a little bit, you know what I mean? It's a lot of serum. I probably look really weird right now. That's why I do this at night, so nobody has to see me. It's kind of hard to talk, so I will check back in when the sheet masking is done. Okay, it's been like 20 minutes-ish, so. First thoughts, the mask was unexpectedly really cooling on the face. It was like putting ice cubes on my face, but it wasn't like in the freezer or fridge or anything. But the weird thing is, it's kind of sticky. Well, not really sticky, more like greasy a little bit, but like it might soak into the skin because like as soon as I took it off, my face was like still wet. So I'll probably leave a rating somewhere on the screen of how I think about it, from 1 being I don't recommend this at all, stay away, to 5 being like I might repurchase because it might be a holy grail, like, and 3 is like, no, go for it if you want, try it, I don't mind it. That's my scale, and I'm going to display what I thought about it somewhere over here. So next night I will try another mask. Day 2 of masking, and as you can see my face is still pretty much blemished, so I want to kind of like fade away these like blemish spots and like redness and scarring, so I'm gonna use a whitening mask. It's not like whitening as like you're gonna get white, but it's gonna like even out your skin tone, I guess. So the whitening mask in the pack is called the Sweet Lemon Candy Mask. I don't know if it's gonna smell like lemons or candy or cake pops, like I don't know at this point. The other one smelled like candy canes but luckily it didn't break out my face, so. I honestly don't know what this smells like a lemon lime lollipops? Or like hand sanitizer? It's confusing me. Oh my god, I don't want to eat this. But at the same time it smells like soap. Now the struggle to put it on. It's tough to do it without a mirror. Is it on? Did I get the nose? Okay. So I'll check back in 20 minutes once the sheet mask is done and give you my brief thoughts on the, what was it called? Sweet lemon candy mask? It's something about lemon, but it smells like hand sanitizer slash lollipops, so it's confusing. Okay, so it's time to pull it off. Okay, I think I like this one better than yesterday's because it doesn't feel as greasy. Like the formula feels faster absorbing. It's not that tingly compared to yesterday's. And I think this one generally works with my skin better. I'll leave my rating on the screen, and the next time you will see me is when I put on the next mask. So, day 3 of my sheet masking adventure with Candy O Lady. And I feel like my face today needs a little bit of brightening. Like yesterday I did whitening, right? To like help lighten up the pimple spots that are like healing, but like now I feel like I need an overall boost to my skin because it's been looking dull. So I'm gonna be using their brightening mask, which is their holiday candy mask, and I don't know if this is gonna smell like candy canes too. The name kind of implies it, and the picture looks like cake pops, so you know, whatever, let's try it. So this is the second time I squirted in my eye. God dang. Okay, this does not smell like candy canes. It smells sort of like raspberry or cough drops. It's weird. It's all weird. Very confusing, but it definitely smells sweet. That's for sure. You know the drill? Okay, there's a lot of serum on this one. So I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and I will be right back to let you guys know what I think about it. In 20 minutes, I'm gonna try like peeling it off from the bottom this time because like the other times I did it from the top. My face always like feels really cold after these masks. I don't know, I'm not sure if it's like exclusive to this brand or it's just my natural reaction to sheet masks, but these ones are generally really cooling, so I guess they're good for like inflamed skin or like maybe acne prone skin to help lessen like the bumpage, but it hasn't broken me out so far, none of the masks, so that's good, even though the alcohol content in these are kind of high for my personal taste. I think it did a decent job at brightening my skin. What do you guys think? I honestly don't know. Sometimes I can't even notice like the minuscule differences in my skin, but like I feel like it's brightened. Yeah, and this one is definitely less greasy than the first mask I tried. So I'm gonna leave my rating of this mask on the screen and I will see you guys in the next mask. Mask number 4, I'm going to use something for my skin that helps firm it because I feel like although my skin is tight and it's like recovering and brightened and stuff, it does need like a lift because it feels tight but not in like a hydrated way. Like I want it to feel like firm. Like, you know what I mean? Okay, anyway, their elasticity mask is called the Mystic Potion Candy Mask, and the name doesn't really imply any scent or flavor, so it's gonna be really ambiguous what this is gonna smell like. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it smells like. Okay, this is weird, like even weirder than the other ones. This one really smells like shower gel. I can't really put like a scent to it. It's fruity, soapy. If I were to say anything, it would smell like grapefruit, vaguely, but like I honestly don't know what this smells like. It doesn't really smell like candy, that's for sure. Yeah, it definitely smells like soap, like body wash, so. A lot of serum. Okay, I will check back in after 20 minutes has passed and let you know what I think about this Mystic Candy Potion whatever mask. Okay, 20 minutes is up. I'm gonna take off this mask. I'm gonna start from the bottom. remind me not to eat with this mask on. It doesn't taste very good. It doesn't taste anything like candies. I'm not sure about the firming effect, but my skin does feel somewhat refreshed. So I'm gonna leave my rating on the screen. I don't know what to think right now. Maybe like in an hour or two, I can like fully see the effect of this mask. So I will see you guys in my 5th mask, I think. Something like that. Mask number 5 of my 7 mask journey with Candy O Lady, and I have a breakout on my chin and on my forehead. So I'm going to be using their regeneration mask because I feel like it's going to help diminish the pimples and like heal it. So that's what I'm going to be using, and their regeneration mask is called the Honey Milk Candy Mask. So I'm going to assume this smells like honey or something. It doesn't really smell like honey. It smells more like a flower, like a really sweet flower or something like that. It definitely smells floral to me. I don't know, maybe my nose is broken and I don't know what honey smells like, but it smells different. Okay, I'm going to wait 20 minutes and I will be right back with my thoughts on this mask. Okay, so it's been about 20-ish minutes and I'll just take this off from like the side. Pat it in. I don't know if it did anything. What does it look like to you guys? I do look a little bit more glowy though, that's for sure. That's probably because it hasn't like fully absorbed into my skin yet. There's still some serum on my skin, but I'll let you guys know what I think about it, the overall rating on the screen somewhere, and I will see you guys on my 6th mask. So it's mask number 6 of my 7 mask journey with Candy O Lady, and I'm going to be using their Little Witch Candy Mask because it's supposed to be used for like detoxifying, and I do feel like although I put a pimple patch on like this pimple, it still needs like an extra zap to go away. I'm going to use this detoxifying mask to hopefully kind of clear everything out. I don't know what this would smell like. It looks very Halloween themed, so it might be like pumpkin. Okay, yet another smell I don't really recognize. Definitely smells fruity like the rest. I don't know, maybe like faintly like apples and berries. Like it does remind me more of like the fall rather than like the summer, but like it's still fruity. So I don't know. Can't really pinpoint. I'm bad with smells, so let's just put that out there. I don't know what exactly this smells like, but it's not bad. It's just really heavily fragranced like the rest of the masks so far. And put it on my face. Okay, I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and I will be right back with what I think of this detoxifying mask. And I will spend those 20 minutes catching up on Idol Producer, aka Chinese Produce 101, because of Justin and Junjun. Oh my god, I'm whipped for Produce 101. I can't. So if you guys want me to do like a video of like weekly thoughts on Idol Producer, since that's what I did with Produce 101 Season 2, I can do that. Just let me know down below if you guys are interested in seeing that. But anyways, I will be back with my mask thoughts. Okay, so we'll take off the mask now. I feel like this one is the least greasy. I know I said that before about like previous masks, but I feel like this might be the least greasy. I don't think it really helped to diminish the pimples though. But like with detoxifying masks, you can't really tell the effect that they have. But on the bright side, my skin does look marginally better than before the mask, so I think that's a good thing, right? I'll leave my rating for this mask on the screen and I will show you guys the last mask right now. Okay, so it's the last mask of the set. Mask number 7 is called the Mellow Cotton Candy Mask, and it's supposed to be for moisturizing, and after all of these masks my face does feel somewhat tight and dry. I guess it's because of that high alcohol content, so hopefully this one will help remedy all of that and bring everything to a nice close. And I don't know if it's gonna smell like cotton candy, but let's see. Okay, this one doesn't really smell like cotton candy for some reason. It smells slightly sweet, but it kind of smells like fabric softener. Like, it doesn't smell bad. It smells very clean. It doesn't smell as sweet as I thought it would be, considering it's like based off of sugar. But let's see what it does to the face. Okay, so I'll check back after 20 minutes has passed and let you guys know what I think about this last mask. It's been about 20 minutes and now I'm going to take this off and pat it in the last mask of the set. The good thing about this mask is that I didn't really feel anything like tingly or cooling about it, which irritates my skin less, I guess. Like, it's more neutral. Like, it doesn't have any of those novelty effects on the skin. It does feel moisturized and not greasy, but at the same time, it doesn't feel very hydrating. Like, it feels like I put chapstick or like cheap lotion. So like, yeah, it's moisturizing, but I don't know how long it's gonna be moisturizing for. So on a moisture scale, it would be about a 4. Like a 3 is like, nothing really happened. A 1 is like, it stripped my skin. A 4 is like, it moisturized, maybe temporarily, but it says and does what it's supposed to do. The dry patches that I had on my skin seem to be taken care of, for at least for now. So I'll leave my rating on the screen, and then I will close out this video after this. So that wraps up my 7 mask experience with Candy O Lady. Would I recommend? If you wanted to try it out, sure, but if you're looking for like really high quality masks, I suggest you look elsewhere. My favorite mask out of all of these might have to be the Witch Candy mask, the one that was like Halloween themed. It left my skin the softest out of all of them and the brightest, and it had less of that greasy feeling than the rest of them. And the worst mask, I have to say, might be the first one, because it was the greasiest. It didn't really help with anything. Like, it was just meh. Like, most of the masks were like on a meh scale. Like, they're good, but like they're not good, you know? Like, they're okay. So that's my overall honest review. I promise I wasn't sponsored or paid to do anything. I was just sent these products for review. And I'll leave the link down below once again if you guys wanted to try it for yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Have you tried this mask before? Are you interested in getting it? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. So, later. I'm not very good at outros, as you can tell. School has been long. My 17 video, oh, that's gonna wait until after this adpocalypse thing blows over, so.